My first ever award I had received as an actor was with IFA for my debut film. My first ever Best Actor award was with IFA. And I hosted IFA last time, and I'm hosting this time also. I'm performing as well. But this time it's a little bit more special because I'm hosting with the most special human being, and that's Shah Rukh Khan. Uh, all these sunglasses that I'm wearing, and of course it's part of vanity because we all love vanity as actors, but it also comes along with working with a man who works for 24 hours straight with a smile on his face, and that's Shah Rukh Khan, sir. It's only for since like a couple of hours before we were on stage rehearsing for our show, and that's why I'm just wearing glasses so that you don't think I was partying all night. Uh, but looking forward to just having a great time. We always receive so much love from the people of Abu Dhabi, and it's only multiplying every year. So thank you so much for having us here. Thank you to the team of IFA. Thank you to our friends in media, and thank you to just people all across the globe who've been giving love to the Indian cinema year on year and year on year after. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I'm very happy to be just a small part of this beautiful celebration of Indian cinema. Thank you.
Welcome back, Kriti, as well. Kriti, it's going to be a bigger year, a grander year for all of us. And I'm sure you're feeling on top of the world too.
I am. Hello everyone. Hi. I'm very very excited. मेरी और विकी की स्पीच थोड़ी सी सिमिलर होने वाली है बिकॉज मेरा भी ये थर्ड टाइम है अबू धाबी में एंड yes, from my first debut award to the first best actress which I got with you, I think, when you got your first best actor, to performing last year, in this very arena where the show is happening again. Amazing audience. I think Abu Dhabi ने जितना हम लोगों को प्यार दिया है, we keep coming back. I am too excited for, of course, Utsavam. And after seeing you two here on this stage, I'm really excited for your hosting. I think it's going to be really funny. मुझे जितना समझ में आएगा, आप थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश में भी बात कर लेना, हिंदी में भी कर लेना. तेलुगु ज़्यादा नहीं समझ में आएगी, but I think you're damn good and you guys will really really kill it. You were damn funny here right now. I couldn't stop laughing. And of course, the IFA award show, I'm really excited about performing as well. But I'm excited about two other people. More excited than anything else. Of course, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan hosting again, performing this time. I've seen him perform and host multiple award shows, from my childhood when I used to watch him on TV to live. And he's doing it after a very, very long time. And I'm really, really excited to see him. There's no one better than him. And another performance that I'm very excited about is Rekha ma'am. रेखा मैम को मैंने एक बार आईफा में परफॉर्म करते हुए देखा था बैंकॉक में. Abu Dhabi, you're gonna witness the most magical performance of your life because she is too good. Like there is no one like her, and I'm gonna be there watching her perform, samne se, front seat. So I booked that. But I hope you guys enjoy the show and thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ananya Pandey. Like the other day we were talking, it looks like Ananya Pandey is here. You've been And I'm sure we're going to have the best time ever with Siddhant also being one of the hosts. Siddhant, this is going to be a smasher, I'm sure.
यार मैं सुन रहा था कि किसी का थर्ड टाइम है, किसी का फोर्थ टाइम है. यार मैं वर्जिन हूँ, आईफा वर्जिन हूँ. मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि सच एन ऑनर टू बी ऑन द सेम स्टेज विद शाहिद with Vicky, with Abhishek, with Kriti, with Ananya, and all of you guys. I've been a huge fan, and it's such an honor that thanks to IFA, that this is happening. This is actually happening. We are all coming together on one stage as an Indian cinema, representing. So I'm very, very excited, and well, I have a very good co-host with me. तो मैं तो बहुत मजे करने वाला हूँ. आप भी करने वाले हैं? हैं? थोड़ा जोर से यार, जोश दिखाओ. How's the जोश? बिल्कुल. So I'm gonna have a great time, and I'm looking forward to all the performances and, well, Rana sir, party after party.
All right, the party continues right here. Like they say, you save the best for last, because I've been giving a lot of requests saying that you must get her to sing a few lines on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the mesmerizing voice and performer, Shubha Rao on stage, please. You're going to be seeing her.
I think what art and music do is bring people together, and India is so diverse, which is my favorite thing about my beautiful country. And we speak different languages, we eat different food, we wear different clothes, but then when it comes to art and music, we end up singing a song जिसके lyrics हमको शायद पता ही नहीं है और समझ में नहीं आते, but that's what music and art do, and the films do, that we end up singing and representing each other, and IFA is doing that this time, so more power to everyone in this room to do that.
Paji,
No?
Vicky, Paji.
I just slightly put it at Vicky कि यार एक पंजाबी गाना हो जाए यार. Vicky, demand यार.
Sid, there's a difference between गाना सुनना और गाना गाना. मुझे गाना सुनना अच्छा
तू
लगता है.
कल अपने इंस्टा पे तू जिम के अंदर गा रहा था, हाँ, और वो तेरा बंदा रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था. अब यहाँ पे तू चश्मा पहन, एक तो पहले तूने बोला कि जिसने भी काला चश्मा पहना है वो सब पार्टी करके हैं, यहाँ पे सब उतार रहे हैं वन बाय वन. तूने तो शाहरुख सर का नाम ले लिया, और तेरे पंजाबी गाने के भी नाम जाने नहीं वाले हैं यहाँ से. You have owned it.
Vicky, we are obsessed.
कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा तुझे. अरे पंजाबी गाना तो तू ऐसे बिहेव करे, you're behaving like a virgin of Punjabi songs. You're not.
But actually,
He is
मैंने
the
इसको
virgin
गाते
we've
हुए नहीं
established.
सुना है, हाँ?
Okay. हाँ, I've been. Thanks, Shahid. Okay, I'll. Since the time I've come to Abu Dhabi, I feel like my name's changed from Vicky Kaushal to. So we'll just. बाकी करण औजला सर भी आ रहे हैं, उनसे सुन लीजिएगा. By the way, for Rana sir, I just wanted to say something. Sorry. You know, with Rana sir, we bumped for the first time into each other in the gym in Mumbai. And I just walked in early in the morning and he was there working out. And all of a sudden I saw him and I was like, Rana sir, because I don't know, for some reason, I just always see him fighting a bull. And I believe that, and he always keeps saying, hey, what is this, sir? Yeah, what is this, sir? I'm like, yaar, main kya karun? I can only say sir. But what I've witnessed today, your energy and your vibe, for the first time, I'm being able to call you Rana as a friend. So, and I'm sure you're gonna befriend everybody in UAE with your lovely energy. Rana. Yes. No, but now I want to party with you.
सब यहाँ देख लोगे तो
आप
कल
आइए.
क्या देखोगे?
जो आप इतना तौबा बोल रहे हैं, अब आइए. आप विनर है कॉन्टेस्ट के, आइए आप.
अब वो बोल रहे हैं तौबा.
आइए ना सर. आइए सर, आइए. अरे सर आइए ना आप. विकी आपके लिए तो वेट कर रहा था, अब करेगा वो पूरा स्टेप करेगा. गाइस कम ऑन यार, बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज यार. आइए सर. Vicky, over to you.
Thanks, Shahid. Come, sir. What's your name, sir?
राजीव
राजीव जी, आप क्या करते हैं? आप इंजीनियर हो? मैं भी होते होते रह गया, फिर एक्टर बन गया मैं. Should we do Toba Toba together? Sir, even I never danced before this. And I got the best compliment today from Shahid saying,
I will try because
okay, can I teach you how to do the Toba Toba step? उनको आता है? Okay, it's very simple. Rajiv ji, इधर आइए. Two engineers together. We'll dance on Toba Toba. It's very simple. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. करे?
विकी, ये पंजाबी भांगड़ा ज्यादा लग रहा है. It is.
मेरा जो first rehearsal with Bosco looked exactly like this.
Vicky, I'm going to proxy Mr. the engineer here. Okay, thank you. Guys, I'm Akul. I'm going to be hosting South Utsavam. Okay, Vicky, can we?
No wonder he came on stage with more confidence than me on this step.
Vicky, I want to do this with you. Yeah. I also request my dear co-host Raghavendra Vijay. He's a huge fan of the step, and he's been dancing this for every reality show of ours.
He just gave an expression like,
अच्छा ये स्टेप वेप तो गाना नहीं बज सकता क्या गाइस गाना गाना तो बजा दो स्टेप तो सब करें
गाना मुझे
अरे मतलब मैं कहीं भी मैंने गलती कर दी माइक लेके
Guys, give it up for Vicky. He's going to perform for us today. Okay.
Are we playing the song or singing the song?
If the song is there, you can play it.
So we all sing together. 1, 2, 3, go.
Shahid साड़ी के falsa must be done, sir. Woo. I just want to give you a trivia. Before Toba Toba happened, before like any of my films happened, when my college friends got married, for 3 years straight on Sangeets, I was performing on only one song. So,
हम विकी को लाए हैं, वो सबका परफॉर्मेंस करेगा. ये तू साथ में कर मेरे. नहीं, मैं तेरा वाला स्टेप करता हूँ. चल, मुझे वो आता नहीं लेकिन बस तू सिखा दे. क्विक वाला ये 1, 2, 3. Anything you say. क्या करना है? Somebody has to sing, but are you all going to sing? I can't hear you guys. Yeah, आप तो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, आप यहीं बस जाइए.
We have Abhishek Banerjee singing.
no, you are singing here.
You don't
I'm
leave
the
from here,
chorus.
brother. This is where the party is. Rana, leave your phone, Rana. Come.
Hold on. Just hold on, hold on. One second.
Savas, you also want to do it? Be honest.
For the last 3 years, we've come to Yas Island